Unhealthy foods can wreak havoc on the body. Protect yours with an array of anti-inflammatory ingredients, cooked to perfection. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to fortify your fitness with my recipe for honey walnut-crusted salmon and broccoli. Sugary foods, saturated fats, and refined carbs are big triggers for painful inflammation. That's why I created this joint-friendly dish with nutritious ingredients ranging from fresh salmon to red peppers. To start, preheat the oven to 425 degrees and lightly spray your pan. Next, take 3 skinless salmon fillets, pat them dry, and place them in the center of your pan. Then, lightly sprinkle each fillet with sea salt and cracked pepper. Wild salmon is rich in omega-3s, which helps prevent inflammation, regulate your blood pressure, and support your heart. After that, it's time to go nuts. Combine 1 cup of Hy-Vee chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and a ½ teaspoon of thyme in a small bowl. Once they're all in there, stir and spread the mix on top of your salmon for a flavorful punch. Now it's time for the broccoli. This veggie is packed with antioxidants, as well as vitamins A and C. Place this delicious green in your bowl, followed by 1 chopped bell pepper and another tablespoon and a half of avocado oil. Then, all that's left is to pop your pan into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And boom! You've got a meal that's as healthy as it is delicious. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.